The Contacts application allows you to immediately access the contacts associated with your Google account. You will find the search button in the upper right and the large red button to add a contact in the lower right of the screen. Favorites, that is, the list of contacts with whom you communicate most, are shown at the top. If you usually talk to the same number of people, this is probably the best way to use the Contacts application. Choose any registered number to display the associated data. You can call them, send them an email or SMS. You can even see the latest interactions and edit the information of the person on your device through the pencil icon, which you will find in the upper right. Press the plus button or the 3 vertical dots and choose Customize, and on the next screen you will be able to choose which contacts to show in the application and which ones to hide. In addition, you can choose from all applications that have their own contacts list, such as WhatsApp and Facebook. For example, in the case of your Google contacts, you can choose a group of these to avoid the deployment of all those you have registered. Customizing all the numbers registered by choosing Google Groups can be an arduous but very effective task, since it will save you time later, also allowing you to hide the numbers with which you do not communicate frequently. Contacts Plus is an application that immediately integrates social networks and offers a wide range of customization functions.